Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of superfoods, and the star of the show is Moringa. You might have heard it being praised as a miracle tree or superfood, but is Moringa really that good for you? In this video, we'll explore 20 science-backed benefits of Moringa and explain exactly what makes it so powerful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future health tips. Now let's jump into it. 1. Packed with nutrients. Moringa is incredibly rich in nutrients. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and iron. What makes it stand out is its concentration of these nutrients. Gram for gram, Moringa leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk. This makes it a great way to fill nutrient gaps in your diet. 2. Rich in antioxidants. One of the key benefits of Moringa is its high antioxidant content. Moringa contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Quercetin helps lower blood pressure, while chlorogenic acid helps regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can cause aging and diseases like cancer. Regular consumption of Moringa can help your body neutralize harmful free radicals. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. Moringa has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes or those at risk. Compounds like isothiocyanates present in Moringa help regulate insulin and improve glucose metabolism. Studies suggest that Moringa can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 13.5%, making it an excellent natural tool for blood sugar control. 4. Supports heart health. For heart health, Moringa is a great ally. The polyphenols and flavonoids in Moringa help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries, while also reducing inflammation that can lead to cardiovascular issues. Additionally, Moringa's potassium content helps to maintain healthy blood pressure levels, making it a protective food for your heart. 5. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Moringa contains natural compounds like isothiocyanates and phenolic acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds reduce inflammation markers in the body, making Moringa a potent anti-inflammatory agent. 6. Promotes healthy digestion. Moringa can improve your digestive health in a few ways. Its high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. Plus, Moringa has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help balance the gut's microflora, keeping harmful bacteria in check and promoting a healthier digestive system overall. 7. Boosts brain health. Your brain can also benefit from Moringa. It contains neuroprotective properties due to high levels of antioxidants like vitamin E and C, which help protect against oxidative stress in the brain. Additionally, Moringa has shown promise in fighting neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by preserving brain function and improving memory. 8. Strengthens the immune system. Moringa is a natural immune booster. It contains high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are vital for a strong immune system. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help your body fight off infections and stay healthier year-round. 9. Supports skin and hair health. Thanks to its high content of antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamin E, Moringa can work wonders for your skin and hair. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by protecting your skin from environmental damage. For hair, Moringa's zinc content helps promote healthy hair growth and prevents hair loss by nourishing the scalp and hair follicles. 10. Detoxifies the body. Moringa acts as a natural detoxifier. It has a high concentration of compounds that support liver function like glutathione and polyphenols, which help the liver filter out toxins from the blood. Regular consumption of Moringa aids your liver in breaking down toxins, making it an excellent addition to a detox regimen. 11. Supports liver health. In addition to detoxifying, Moringa directly benefits your liver. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in Moringa, particularly catechins and epicatechins, help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Moringa's natural properties assist in the regeneration of liver cells and improve its overall functioning. 12. Boosts energy levels. If you're often feeling sluggish or fatigued, Moringa could be the answer. Its rich mix of iron, vitamins, and magnesium provides a natural and sustained energy boost, making it a fantastic alternative to caffeine. These nutrients help improve oxygen circulation, keeping you feeling more energized and alert throughout the day. 13. Promotes strong bones. Moringa is an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus, both of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. It also contains vitamin K, which helps improve calcium absorption and plays a role in preventing osteoporosis. Regular consumption can help maintain bone density as you age. 14. Improves eye health. Your eyes can benefit from Moringa too. Its high levels of vitamin A and beta-carotene help maintain healthy vision and reduce the risk of eye disorders like macular degeneration and cataracts. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining clear vision, especially in low-light conditions. 15. Reduces asthma symptoms. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties extend to the respiratory system. Quercetin, one of its key antioxidants, helps reduce airway inflammation, making it easier to breathe. Studies have shown that Moringa can reduce the severity of asthma symptoms and may help manage chronic conditions like bronchitis. 16. Balances hormones. Moringa is a natural way to balance hormones, particularly for women. Its high levels of vitamin B6, vitamin C, and amino acids help support hormone regulation, making it beneficial for women dealing with PMS or menopause. It can also help reduce hormonal imbalances that lead to mood swings and energy dips. 17. Aids in weight management. Moringa is great for weight management because it's low in calories but rich in nutrients and fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. Additionally, Moringa contains chlorogenic acid, which helps regulate fat metabolism and prevent the storage of excess fat, making it easier to manage your weight naturally. 18. Reduces stress and anxiety. Moringa has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body better manage stress. Compounds like tryptophan in Moringa boost the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which can help improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Lowering cortisol levels can also improve your mental and physical well-being. 19. Boosts fertility. Moringa is often used in traditional medicine to boost fertility in both men and women. It contains high levels of vitamin D and zinc, both of which are vital for reproductive health. In men, Moringa improves sperm count and quality, while in women, it helps regulate reproductive hormones and improves ovarian function. 20. Slows aging. Finally, Moringa helps slow down the aging process. It contains a combination of antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which help protect your cells from oxidative damage. This reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, keeping your skin youthful for longer. How to consume Moringa. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of Moringa, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. The good news is that Moringa is incredibly versatile and can be consumed in various forms. Moringa powder. One of the most common ways to consume Moringa is in powder form. You can easily add Moringa powder to smoothies, juices, soups, or even sprinkle it over salads. Start with about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day and gradually increase the amount if your body responds well to it. It has a mild, earthy flavor that blends well with many dishes. Moringa capsules. If you're not a fan of the taste, Moringa capsules are a great option. These provide a convenient and tasteless way to enjoy all of Moringa's benefits. Just be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the packaging or consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Moringa tea. Moringa leaves can be dried and used to make tea. It's a soothing way to enjoy the benefits of Moringa, especially if you're looking to relax or improve digestion. You can find Moringa tea bags in many health stores, or you can steep dried Moringa leaves yourself in hot water for a few minutes. Fresh Moringa leaves. If you're lucky enough to have access to fresh Moringa leaves, they can be cooked just like spinach or added to stir-fries, soups, or curries. This is a great way to maximize the nutrient content because you're consuming the leaves in their whole form. Remember, a little Moringa goes a long way. Whether you prefer powder, capsules, tea, or fresh leaves, you can easily incorporate this superfood into your daily life and reap its many benefits. Just be sure to start with a small amount and increase gradually to let your body adjust. I will also leave links in the description to where you can purchase Moringa. So, is Moringa really good for you? Absolutely. From boosting your energy to fighting inflammation, supporting brain health, and even promoting better skin and hair, Moringa truly lives up to its title as a superfood. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more natural health tips. What Moringa benefit surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.